Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to handle a couple areas of potential conflict as a beginner paralegal. Two of the prime areas that I have faced over 32 years have been wasting time, that's the topic, and gossip. Now, I have choices, as a new employee when I go in, what I'm going to participate in. And there could be such a strong camaraderie there in that culture of the workplace I'm going into that they want to hang out for the lunch hour. I've been in two places like that where we would actually, in one place I was just a temporary employee for a week, and they took me under their wing, and they were the most fantastic ladies, and we would go out and have lunch every day. I really wanted to run some errands, but I knew I was only there for a week, and it was a lot of fun with them. But when we were back at the office, we were working, and I was there to help them catch up on correspondence. That was really the only reason I was there. But if I had wanted to work as a paralegal there, I could have gone on with that law firm, and that's one of my regrets that I didn't, because the paralegals there were so fantastic. Another place, they had a strong camaraderie, and it was all about talking about the attorneys all day in the lunchroom. It wasn't a lunchroom, it was a library. And that's really dangerous to do that stuff, when you're at the workplace. And the attorneys were well aware it was going on. They told me so later. I decided after the first day of sitting in on that I wasn't going to participate in it, but I wasn't being disrespectful to my coworkers. I was just going out for lunch with friends, or I would go run errands. That's what I did anyway, most of the time on my lunch hour, wherever I worked. And so people can take offense to that as if it's a rejection, but you've got to try to overcome that with them, but focus on your 8 hours that you're there for your work, and you will go far. But it may be that not everybody will like you. Que sera, sera. It's not everybody will. But as long as you're not taking a low road and wasting time and gossiping about other people, it will get noticed either way you go. So go take the high road, okay? Be sure to go over to paralegalcoffeetalk.com and look under Paralegal Resources Hub and download the free playbook. Okay, that's for beginner paralegals. Do that today. Okay, that will help you greatly.